Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make instant bread pizza. This yummy bread pizza recipe is very quick and easy to make and therefore a great recipe for evening snacks. So friends, let's get started with this quick, cheesy and yummylicious bread pizza recipe. For my bread pizza recipe, I have taken here 3 slices of brown bread, and now we need to cut them into small portions. Take bread slices according to the size of your pan. Since I am making in a small pan, so I am taking 3 slices only. Alright, cutting of the bread slices into small cubes is done. For toppings on my bread pizza, I'll be using some red and green bell peppers, some sweet corns, onion chunks, some jalapenos, lots of mozzarella cheese. For seasoning, some chili flakes and mixed herbs. Next, take a mixing bowl and into it I will break 2 eggs. If your pan size is big, then add 3 to 4 eggs and 4 to 5 slices of bread. I will season this with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, a pinch of mixed herbs, little bit of milk and half teaspoon of baking powder. This will make our bread pizza very fluffy. Now whisk this well to form a smooth batter. The whisking of the egg batter is also done. Next, heat a pan and add around 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Spread the oil evenly on all the sides of the pan. And when the pan is hot, we will add the onion chunks, red green bell peppers and the sweet corns, and we will saute them for a few seconds as we want to retain their crunchiness. And now I will season the veggies with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper powder, a pinch of dried oregano, a pinch of red chili flakes, and a pinch of mixed herbs. Mix this well. This is done, so I will turn off the flame now. Next, take a non-stick pan and add some olive oil, say around 1 tablespoon. Spread the oil evenly on all the sides of the pan. Now place the small cubes of bread evenly so that they form the base. By the way, I am using here a 9-inch non-stick pan. Press gently the bread pieces. Now pour the egg batter evenly, covering all the sides of the pan and the bread pieces. Now add little butter on the sides so that the egg batter does not stick to the pan. Remember to keep the flame on low. And now cover with a lid or plate and let it cook for just 1 minute. Remove the lid now. Scrape the edges with a spatula so that it's easy to flip the bread pizza. Now place a plate on the pan like this and flip the bread pizza on the plate, and then gently place it back with the cooked side on the top of the pan. And now we need to apply the pizza sauce generously. Spread the pizza sauce evenly with the help of a spoon or knife. Next, add the toppings which we had sauteed earlier. Now add the jalapenos. And now time to add lots and lots of shredded mozzarella cheese. And don't forget to sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano on top. That's it. Now cover this with a plate or lid and cook for just 2 minutes or till the cheese melts. It's almost 2 minutes. Let's check this now. So the cheese has melted and this pizza looks so yummy and cheesy. I'll turn off the flame and our bread pizza is now ready to be served hot. I'll transfer the bread pizza in a pizza board. I will now cut and show a small portion of our bread pizza. And here it goes. You can see how cheesy our bread pizza has turned out. You can have a closer look. Because of the eggs, milk and baking powder, the bread pizza has turned out very soft and fluffy. So friends, I hope you will try this instant bread pizza recipe. Also share your feedbacks in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.